All right, welcome. We're in the final page for lab 3. So in this lab, you're going to learn how to use the keep block, what we just went over, have some predicates in there, and it's going to make some constraints, and then you're going to create a new list from that old list. And basically, we're going to select which items we want. So for example, they have right here, it's a keep block, and here's our words list. We're going to go over and it says, does our new list have 6 letters? So let's make sure that each one has 6 letters. Reduce has 6, writing has 6, writers have 6. Okay, so it meets the first constraint. Second one is the first item or index, is it R? So writers, writing, and reduce. So all of them have R. Next one is letter 3, or is the third item a D? So it looks like writing, writers, and reduce all have a D in there. So that's the list of options when we do a crossword puzzle. And basically that's kind of a way that you can have a computer help you out with a crossword puzzle. So go ahead, click on the snap file. And let's take a look. This one has 10,000 words in there. So that's quite a decent amount of lists. So we can use this to help us do a crossword puzzle. So let's take a look at a couple blocks they want us to go over. So use the length of text block. So length of text equals 14. And we said equals 14. Here's our numbers. It looks like there's 43. So it's going to have us find all that have 8 and all of them that have 11. So you guys can practice that on that block and see if you can find out how many of them have 11 letters. All right, so for part C, we're going to make these blocks, and we're going to make these predicates, and we're going to have them double check and see if, for instance, we enter in one word and does it have that many letters. So does orange have 6 letters? It comes back with a true or false statement. All right, so let's go ahead and make a block. We're going to make a predicate. I put down I'm going to put this as a variable, input, have, and another variable of numbers of letters. So let's go ahead and make this and make those inputs. Change these around, make these variables. All right, so it looks like we want an if-else statement for this right here. So basically, does the text have that many letters? So we're going to go over to if and else statement. So we want to report true or false. So the true statement is, and I think we're going to use this block, length of text. Length of text, or length of the input word, equals the number of letters that we're looking for, report true. And if not, report false. All right, go ahead, press apply, and then press OK, and we have a new block that we made. Okay, does orange have 6 letters? True. Let's see if it has 5. False. So far, it looks like it's working pretty well. So for part 3, it's saying that they want us to make a block, a predicate again. And it's going to say, is letter 4 of caret letter O? So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's an R. That's not an O, so it's false. Is letter 2 of giraffe, is it an I? So the second letter, that's an I, so it's true. So we're going to use this block right here, letter 1 of our words list. Does it equal to W? So let's pull this out. Here's our words list. It's extremely long. So we're going to say, is the first letter, is that a W? How about the last? All right, so we're going to make a custom block where we don't have blocks inside blocks. We can just use this custom block that helps us identify the placement of the letter and where it is. All right, here we go. Let's make another predicate. So, is letter. All right, so is letter. I put down brackets of whatever word we're looking at, the letter. Okay, so let's go ahead and make this one, and then let's replace these with inputs. We're going to create this a number, that's a variable. So essentially we're making this block over here. So we said is the first letter of words on the list equal to W. And it reports everything that has W as the first letter on that list. So we're going to use this block and place it inside here. Press OK. Actually, we need to replace these with variables. Number, word, letter. So right now, we have our block that we just made. So is letter 4 of word the letter D? So that's true. Okay, let's do something that we know is going to be false. Is it R? No, but how about the third letter in the word? It's true. So we went ahead and made these blocks. And now you can start using this to solve, you can pair them together with an and. It looks like there's two and blocks in here. And try to figure out letters in or possible answers in our crossword puzzle. So let's try to figure out this one right here. What word could possibly fit in there? So we're gonna have to use a lot of and blocks, and let's see how long this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So is the length of the word 9. So we're down to 1,000. Out of 10,000, we're down to 1,000. So let's use a couple more and blocks in there. All right, is the second letter E and the third letter L? So if we click on this, it's down to 207. Let's see if we can get the third letter as L. We're down to 24. We have fourth letter, fifth letter, sixth letter T. So let's throw out another and block and duplicate this one. Is the sixth letter a T? So this is a lot going on, but it's basically ands connecting all these. It has to meet all of these requirements for it to even get on this list. So this list is much shorter, and all of them are meeting that requirement. But take a look at this. Let's see if we can already figure it out. I bet this word is selection, because that's the only one that ends in ION. So that's pretty cool that right now you can use all these skills to help solve a crossword puzzle. So another thing that you can do on your own is to click on this purple box, and you can take it a step further. All right, I will see you guys later. Bye.